Wednesday, short and important news. Construction work of 2 mosques at the cost of $21,000 has been completed and put into use. The Economy Department of Paktia says the construction work of 2 mosques at the cost of $21,000 were completed and handed over to use. Minister of Higher Education praised the hard work and efforts of the Mujahid students. Acting Minister of Higher Education held an introductory and advisory meeting with the current and graduated students who participated in the last 20 years of struggle. Health Minister met with the officials of the ICRC organization. The Health Minister Dr. Kalandar Ibad held a meeting with the officials of the International Organization of ICRC regarding health services. The construction work of Turi Dam is underway in full swing. The construction work of Turi Dam in Zabul is underway in full swing by the Ministry of Energy and Water and is expected to be completed before its scheduled date. Western countries should reopen embassies in Kabul, Portzil. UN Secretary General's Deputy Special Representative for Afghanistan, Marcus Portzil, has asked Western countries to reopen their embassies in Afghanistan. Mr. Portzil has called the opening of the embassies necessary for a better assessment of the current situation in Afghanistan. 4,000 acres of land recovered. Ministry of Justice says Land Grabbing Prevention Commission has registered 4,000 acres of usurped land as government land in Takhar. Over 22,125 beggars collected from Kabul city so far. The Beggar Collection Committee gathered 22,125 beggars from different parts of Kabul city until December 27, 2022. 2 counterfeiters were arrested. Kabul police has arrested 2 counterfeiters in Atif and Police District 3 of capital Kabul, said Kabul Police Command in a statement.